Sirikal ma Kenya gi Amerka oketo seyo ogirimiti mar dola bilion 1.6 mar bero sekta mar thieth e pacho ka madhi timore bang' higni 5 mabiro. Kanoloso e boma ma Washington bang' keto seyo winjruok ma kamano, jatend piny William Ruto nopako piny Amerka kowacho ni gibiro tiyo maber gomenda go, to moloyo e neno ni masinde mag thieth ma nyasani ni e ute mag thieth duto mag sirikal. Nomedo wacho ni gibiro medo bero sekta mar thieth mangima e pacho ka.
The framework we signed today adds momentum to my administration's universal health coverage that is focused on supply of modern equipment to our hospitals, efficient and timely delivery of health commodities to our facilities, enhancement of our health workforce, and health insurance for all, leaving no Kenyan behind. This facility will also boost disease surveillance and emergency preparedness.
We hope to sign many of these in the days to come. But the first one we're going to sign is with Kenya. And the reason why is twofold. Number one, because of our close partnership. Number two, because they have stable and strong institutions, both in government and in the healthcare sector. And over the next few years, we're going to be investing $1.6 billion in health assistance over the next 5 years. And you'll see how that program works out. But the investment is in combination. It will allow us, first of all, to leverage the private sector to create a sustainable U.S. health assistance model around the world, and not just in Kenya. But this is the perfect place to prove that it's going to work, because it is going